Tribune columnist John Cass and I arrived in Ankara, Turkey. The surprising thing is that it doesn't look like a capital as we know it. The parliament buildings look very institutional, low-rise, a little bit dull, almost like dormitories or something. After going through the usual security, we made it inside. I wasn't allowed to shoot pictures while the parliament was in session, of course, but we did get a tour of the empty parliament chambers. And the thing John and I both noticed right away was the color of these chairs, these orange chairs. And I was glad to see that there was a school field trip arriving on the same tour as us. But there was a fair amount of activity going on outside. It was a day of party meetings. So we were outside the meeting of the BDP, a Kurdish political party. A terrible tragedy that occurred about 100 days ago. Turkish military mistakenly fired on and killed scores of Kurd civilians, and they were wearing pictures of their loved ones after appearing before the meeting of the party. Next, we waited outside the entrance to the parliament, underneath the imposing image of Ataturk, the supposed founder of modern Turkey. His image is everywhere in the city. We had a meeting with Egemen Bagish. He's the Minister for European Affairs and a very charming, funny fellow. He knows Rahm Emanuel personally, and he has some good stories to tell. On our way out, we noticed a couple of things. There are these smoking booths out in the courtyards. And then finally, it was afternoon prayer, and there were government officials and workers praying in the Capitol Mosque, something you definitely wouldn't find in our capital.